What's up, you guys? It's another day here in paradise. Beautiful day out. Boys are just filling in this patio over here with whatever we can kind of find. Then we're gonna cement this bad boy. I've gotten tons of comments, you guys, about the glass that I ordered, and I put in my video that I chose the wrong type of glass, and I kind of want to show you guys how this is during the day over here. The way it works, one-way glass, it is during the day, wherever there's light, that's the side that turns into a mirror side. Okay? So in here, this is a mirror now. But
Yeah, we put everything. All the bottles from here.
So you guys now acts like a mirror from.
Oh, be careful, baby.
Yeah, I know. Acts like a mirror from the outside, right? Now, if we go inside, it's supposed to be. Now, during the day in here, obviously we can see right through, okay? And it's a one way, so it's not that the guys put this glass in wrong, guys, all right? This is just how the nature of the beast works. Everybody's saying, yo, man, it's backwards. And guys, we were here when they were putting the lights or putting these windows all in. They put all these windows in when we were here and during the day. So you could see everything outside. Right now you can still see everything outside because outside it's lighter than it is in here. But if we go ahead and turn these lights on right now, let's turn these lights on. You guys see this? Do you guys see now? Once the lights are on right now, it's that perfect time of the day where it's just getting dark. So when you turn this lights on, it turns into a mirror. If I go and turn these lights off, you can see everything outside. So right now, because it's darker in here and it's lighter outside, you can see through. You know what I mean? So if the guys just go ahead and turn these around, it's gonna have the same effect. It's gonna show wherever there's light. And it's not like a tint. These windows are very different than like a tinted window. That's a totally different concept. So one-way glass, this is how it looks like. And if you guys sort of don't believe me, look up ChatGPT, see what it's gonna tell you. People are saying I'm defending the guys that did this wrong, or the Filipinos are lazy, they do things half-ass and things like that. It's not, you guys, it's not. This is the nature of the beast. This is how these windows work, okay? Now, I didn't know before. That's why when I made the video, I actually thought that a lot more people knew about this, right? If I would have known that 95% of the people really thought that these guys just put it in backwards and all they have to do is flip it and it's the other way. No, that's not how these windows work, That's why we're gonna change these three right here. We're gonna change these ones. Just so it's a two-way, just regular two-way glass, just normal glass. But as you guys see, lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off. This is with the lights on, you cannot see outside. Boom, turn off the lights. And now, boom, you can see outside, all right? If they flip this, it's the same thing. You know what I mean? Just, it's how these things work, If we go outside here, because it's still light here, if you look out here, you're getting that mirror look, right? You can see me, you cannot see inside the house at all. And that's sort of the point. And then becomes glass. But outside, if you go outside and look, it is going to be a glass or a mirror, I should say. Same with out here. And this is kind of the one that, is the biggest pain in the ass, right? Because it's in a shower, and I kind of was hoping to always see outside a little bit. We have the light on right now. Okay, so it's already turned into a bit of a mirror. You can still see it. It's kind of like 50-50 right now. If you come up closer, you can see outside. But the further you stand right now, I wonder how it's going to be like when you close. See, when you turn off the light, there is no lighting in here, and you can see outside. Okay, but the way these windows work is wherever there is light, it turns into a mirror. And always be able to see the jungle and things like that. But unless I put a very, very bright light outside, then it's just gonna turn into a mirror over here. So at nighttime, as soon as the light goes outside, and then we turn on the light over here, this turns into a mirror. All the windows do, okay? So yeah, but like I said, I had tons of comments, like an incredible amount, that they just put the glass in backwards and all we have to do is flip it to the other side and it's gonna be totally fine. But that's definitely not how this one-way glass works. And I actually tried to ask ChatGPT, what can I do about it? And he's like, really, there's really nothing you can do. You can get smart glass, which is very expensive. So we're not going to do that. But again, I'll show you guys. And a complete mirror over here. A complete mirror, you know? But that's just the nature of the beast. That's how she works. Like, guys, I'm not a total dumbass, all right? I'm not as dumb as I actually look. So we would have said something, right? We would have told them in the beginning when they were putting it in, yo, you guys, why is it that this hole looks like a mirror? All these windows look like a mirror. Well, when they put it in, it was during the day, right? So I even have a little clip. Of when they were putting it in and we going outside and... You know, but I don't know. A bunch of people are just messaging with the same thing, that they put it in backwards. But that's not the case, you guys. Just like I said, that's how these mirrors work, or these windows work. Wherever there's light, they turn into a mirror, man. It's pretty simple. But we're not gonna have the guys turn everything around just so we can have the exactly same result, right? Because during the day, it's totally fine. We see everything outside, but at nighttime it becomes this mirror look. And a lot of people, there's a lot of foreigners here in the Philippines that they've messaged me and they're like, listen, I have the same issue, and all we did is put blinds everywhere around, and that's kind of what we're having to have to do. We're gonna put some blinds in and leave it as is, The only thing that really is kind of concerning is obviously right here, that is in a bathroom, right? Because right now it's within a few minutes when it gets really dark outside. But yeah, same thing, right? I'm gonna turn this off and you can see outside. We can see normally outside because that's how this shizzle works, man. But anyways, boys are working just on a patio out there. They filled it all in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put in 2 steps over here because it's just a little too high. We didn't want to go any higher than this already is. This is already pretty high. We didn't want to have like a big retaining wall, right? This is already like 3 feet, I think, So put a couple steps here, and we'll be all good. They'll just go along all the way. Water over here. Munchkin's gonna put her washing machine over here. Eventually, we're gonna put a dirty kitchen over here. And yeah, that's how the house is coming along. We're still trying to move in this weekend. I don't know if it's really gonna happen. Might have to be sometime during next week. We're a little busy tomorrow with the truck. We're taking it. The chimneys got done in a truck. Yeah, and the boys put the second chimney in here for us. I painted this one already because we want to have it painted black. We're gonna have 2 of these ovens here, side to side, side by side. But yeah, boys just finished this chimney for me. That's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome that they did this. Here's Munchkin's little stool over here. I wonder if that's gonna be big enough and high. I think it's high enough for her, but I wonder if it should be bigger. I wonder if we should make it a little bit wider. So that's, you know, that's big news. We've already gone to the site. We already talked to the owner of the site, and you know where we're gonna place the truck and all that stuff. So we will be doing that tomorrow. So we'll probably bust out a video tomorrow evening about how that is going to happen. But yeah, these are our our one way. I actually, funny thing is, I had lunch today with one of my subscribers. He messaged me actually about the windows. We chatted quite a bit, and he's from near Batanga City, and we both met in Lipa City today, and we hung out for lunch and stuff like that. It was really, really cool. I didn't tape it just for their privacy. Next time if they want to, you know, be in a video, then we'll definitely put them in a video, but just for their privacy, I really didn't record much. But he actually mentioned, he's like, man, we should talk about getting into a fight, a real fist fight about the glass, because he's one of the, well, he's got the same glass, but he has it in his office, and he doesn't have the lights on very high, so you can't, you know, he can still sort of see outside. But when you have lights on in a house like we do, we have pretty bright lights, you know, it's, see, look at this, you guys, it's no longer glass this way, right? It's no longer a mirror here. Now you can start seeing it, you know, as soon as it starts really getting dark out here, then you can you really notice that. What GTP told me is like, put some lights, put really bright lights outside here, and then you won't have as much reflecting inside. So but I don't think we're gonna do that. We're just gonna replace these ones here, you know. I mean, yeah, that's kind of about it for now. We just got back from Lipa. Actually, I'll show you guys which bed we chose. Okay, we're just going around looking for beds, and I think we found a winner here. They have a good sale on today. Today is 30% off. That's why we kind of came back. We're looking at a couple different options here. We're looking at this one. I didn't mind this one because it was 16.6. I'm all about the promo. You guys know promo item, right? Says right there. But Munchkin, she really likes this bed over here. Oh, which one are you gonna get? The darker one or the lighter one? Out to me, I don't care. It's slightly lighter, so I wonder if they're the same. They're just, yeah. Wonder if it's just one kind. So that's the bed we're choosing. Munchkin chose this one.
How about the side bed?
Now we're looking at some side tables. I like the one that's promo. You know, there's 119.
It's very tiny.
Hmm?
It's really tiny.
Well, that needs to be big. It's a side table.
Like, it looks like super cheap. This one is like 5,000.
Yeah, that looks more cheapo.
It's all cropping.
They're all the same, like. Where's the one that was
1,000, that one.
This one's 300. I like this one. That's 300. 300 pesos.
Seat. I don't like that.
All right. And this is the mattress that we're going for, in a king size, obviously, and it's flex foam.
Like this one.
Mandawi foam.
This one, right? It's the same.
I don't know.
Parehas lang to, di ka?
Kaiba, ma'am.
Magkaiba pa to?
Malambot yun. Ito, ma'am, yung sa'yo, di ba?
Yung matigas.
Ito, ma'am, ito.
Oh, ito.
Yeah, this
This is a faker one.
Yeah.
Stiff one. And this is different.
Yeah, we want the one that's the stiffest one. You know?
Ano kulay mo ko sa Ito naman blue or gantong beige?
Blue na lang. You want blue, right?
Well, it's gonna get covered, so who cares?
Sige.
Like,
Whatever.
Bali mo orderin na lang natin.
Oo. Magkano nga ulit ang lalabas pagka ganun?
Ito ma'am
King size siya ay
22.1. Ano na lang siya ngayon? Ito.
and minus,
14.3 65.
14.3.
65.
but that's 30% off, isn't it?
35.
35% off.
35%. Last time he calculated 15,000.
Yes ma'am. 30 lang na ano.
Okay. And how much is this one? This one is a little more, isn't it? This one was 22.
Oo. 22 the king one.
Now this is the cool one.
Ito ba yan? 24. This is the cooler one.
Yeah,
That one is 22.
22.
Kaya hanap niya yung stiffness ng ano.
Oh, this feels good on my back.
Good?
Yeah, like so much better.
So much better than our bed. Papili. Tayo kahit ano na. Basta mahigaan. Basta mahigaan. This one is better too. But it's the same.
This one is better too. It says.
Is it the same?
Yeah, this one feels a little cooler because it's
Cooler.
got
This one?
it doesn't have a bed sheet. You know.
And this one doesn't have bed
I
sheet.
know, but in our house when we have the
Bed sheet?
bed sheet, I don't think you're gonna be able to feel this coolness. You know what I mean? And we have the thicker
Blanket.
The thicker bed sheet. Okay. So let's just go with this one.
This one na lang. Parehas lang din naman.
Or should we go with this one?
Maybe up to you, or you can buy this cooler. Ano? You don't need your blanket. You just put this on top. The cooler. Mattress. Ice cool mattress topper.
But how much is that? 1.3?
1,287. I don't know.
That's for a twin.
Kuya, may discount ba to?
That's for a king. It's
1,700.
no 2-1, 2-1 something.
This is the king and this is queen. Yeah. 2-1.
But that's just a topper.
Just the topper.
Well,
not the
yeah.
bed sheet.
So you might as well just buy this mattress.
So you don't have to cover at all. So you can feel the cold.
But you want to cover it because like that sweat and everything else is gonna go on there. You know?
That's
I
why
don't know.
this one is a topper.
Mm-hmm.
That's why the topper is covered. Even you don't wanna, put the bed sheet on.
Yeah.
This one is washable.
Which one would you guys go with? Would you go with the cool version or just a regular version? But if you're gonna put a cover on top, does that really matter? Does that really matter? Oh, you guys have maybe already seen it. I don't know. Which mattress, which bed? I have hip issues, so having a really firm bed is a very important thing, man. Just so you're not waking up in the middle of the night and nothing but pain. But yeah, all right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Peace out.